That's right. And that news conference is happening in this building behind me. Now, we talk a lot about wildfire season, but over the next several weeks, that's when a lot of the ingredients for a major wildfire start coming together.
Historically, we have seen Santa Anas as early as September, but they really start to increase in October and November and even December, like we saw last year. Now, normally we see enough rainfall by the time we get into November and December to start lessening our wildfire risk, but we have to watch that closely because, as all of us remember, last year those rains never showed up.
And that was meteorologist Brian D'Agostino, who is the VP of Wildfire and Climate Science at SDG&E. And he says 2025 has been an active year for fires. Now, here in San Diego, we've had a lot of brush fires. We just had the Cochise fire in Lakeside last week that destroyed a handful of homes. But unfortunately, we haven't had any really large wildfires here locally like what they've seen up in Los Angeles. Now, the concern is that we're heading into peak wildfire season. The vegetation out there is very dry. And as you heard him mention, September, October, November, that's when Santa Anas typically kick in. And that is when we've historically had some really devastating fires, such as the Cedar Fire back in 2003 and also the Witch Creek Fire in 2007. So he says, you know, we cannot let our guard down. So that is really the message today. Back out here live, make sure that defensible space around your home is cleared. Have that go bag ready. SDG&E also wants people to prepare for potential public safety power shutoffs should they have to enact them. But the bottom line is prepare now, because these next few months, that's when we're heading into the really critical wildfire season, when wildfire danger is typically at its highest. Back to you.